Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the video is accessible, public, or unlisted, because private videos block transcript access. Once confirmed, open the video page and look for the CC icon or the three-dot menu. Those indicate captions are available. If captions appear, select your preferred language, then choose Show Transcript. This extracts time-stamped captions instantly. If the option is missing, prepare to use alternate methods. Later steps explain when to use auto-caption downloads or third-party tools. Once you have the transcript pane open, toggle timestamps off to simplify copying, then select and copy the full text. Paste it into a plain text editor to remove leftover formatting. For long videos, clean up repeated timestamps and speaker labels with Find and Replace or a lightweight script. This speeds the process and preserves sentence flow. Make sure to fix common auto-caption errors, contractions, homophones, and missing punctuation, so the transcript reads naturally and is ready for caption files or content repurposing. To finalize, download captions from YouTube Studio as SBV or SRT when you control the channel. This preserves timing for uploads. If automatic captions aren't available, export the video audio and run it through a reliable speech-to-text service or use a third-party downloader that extracts auto-captions. If results are poor, make sure language settings match spoken language, reprocess captions, or manually transcribe key segments. If timestamps drift, adjust using a subtitle editor. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.